Stella Science! Have you ever had so many pens you didn't know what to do with them? I got an idea! My students have been learning about recycling, so maybe I can take a can that I was going to throw away and make something that I can put my pens in. I love nature. You saw me earlier, I was picking up these little sticks. I'm going to use these little sticks that I picked up to help decorate my can. Are you ready? Let's get started. I've sorted the larger sticks from the smaller sticks. Then these are just too short. So there's going to be my extra pieces. It's finished! I wanted to add my personal touch with the oak leaf and the acorns since these are from an oak tree. Now I have a place for all of those pins and I wasn't sure what I was going to do with them. Just remember, you don't have to go to the store to create. Look around. Look around. You might have an empty dog food container, something you got in the mail, an empty box, a toilet paper roll, maybe even a newspaper. Think about it. Come up with something really amazing. I can't wait to see what you create.